Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be reacting to the craziest car crash compilation. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it.
Niedziela w Stasinie odwiedził nasz reporter Krzysztof Kot.
What was that?
A w faktach o 19:00 zajrzymy na Mazury. Sprawdzimy,
Oh my god, I hope they're okay. This is crazy.
Radio, muzyka.
Approaching I-40, it looks like one of the law enforcement vehicles is trying to move
What's
up
this
to make
now?
a
It's
pit
like
maneuver
a...
and possibly spin it out.
okay.
And there it is,
Oh.
right there. There's the spin out over into
Oh my
other traffic up on the divider. And it's still going.
And he just continues. It's like the police are after him and he's just racing. It's like the person thinks he's in GTA or something. Oh, there's a man and a woman in the car. That is crazy. Oh my god. What are they really thinking? And I don't understand, like, who does that? Oh my goodness. Look like it's a woman? What's happening? Oh, okay. It's just her trying to force her way through. Without being mean, where did she get her driver's license from? Because this is just wrong. Oh. Looks like she's been drinking. I don't get it. How do people do that? And not only do they put their lives at risk, but they put other people's lives at risk, because you might be driving carefully and someone like that just bumps into you and crashes on you and causes you harm. Meanwhile, you've been very careful. And these are things which are scary about driving. Oh my god, that's so close. Oh? Looks like...
If you could track my phone, I'm going up like Congress Road all the way like from...
Oh, that's another one. Oh, racing it.
There's a car that's weaving.
Oh, he bumped into someone.
Just kept on going. Yes. And this car is gonna go off this cliff.
Okay, I wasn't expecting to see that.
Yes,
Was he
I did.
drunk or
Please
something?
hurry! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom! He just hit a... Oh my god! Oh my god! This one's over!
I don't get it. Okay. What kind of driving is that?
Yes, I'm getting out the car because it just hit another vehicle and I want to make sure they're
If
okay.
they're learning, why are they seated behind the steering? I don't understand. It's not logical. It's not. Oh, now that's how you enter a parking. Oh my goodness. Now that's how you park. That's how you park a car. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. And there are kids there. Oh Jesus, he keeps going. Look, they're actually trying to escape. That was a close call. Oh, another GTA driver or a Need for Speed driver. I think he's been gaming a lot and he thinks he's in some video game or something. What is he doing? Oh. Okay. What? Okay, what's he doing? What's that man doing? Oh my god, there's a train! Oh, jeez. Jeez. Why ever would anyone put their lives at risk that way? I'm gonna give the credit to Thundercams for using part of their content, and this is just way, way too much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Cheers!